The use of sugar alternatives is motivated by various reasons, including health considerations, weight management, and preferences in taste and dietary choices. Here are some sugar alternatives. Coconut sugar, extracted from the sap of the coconut palm, contains minerals like iron, zinc, calcium, and potassium. With a lower glycemic index, attributed in part to its inulin content, a type of soluble dietary fiber, it offers a nutritional alternative to regular sugar. Monk fruit sugar is a calorie-free sweetener extracted from the monk fruit. It's much sweeter than sugar due to mogroside, an antioxidant found in the fruit. During processing, mogroside is isolated, removing fructose and glucose, making it a sugar substitute without the calories. Xylitol, a sugar alcohol from corn or birchwood, is 40% lower in calories than sugar, 2.4 calories per gram. Maple syrup is made from the sap of maple trees and contains both antioxidants and minerals such as calcium, potassium, zinc, iron, and manganese. Although it offers potential health benefits similar to honey, it is relatively high in sugar. While it serves as a preferable alternative to refined sugar, moderation is key to avoiding excessive consumption. Stevia is a plant-based sweetener extracted from the leaves of the Stevia rebaudiana plant. It comes in two primary forms, both of which are calorie-free and sweeter than sugar. It is known for its potential health benefits, including its association with lower blood pressure and improved blood sugar levels. Honey, produced by honeybees, is nutrient-rich and contains various minerals with multiple health benefits. Its phenolic acids and flavonoids possess antioxidant properties, offering protection against inflammation, diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. Despite its health advantages, honey does contain fructose, emphasizing the importance of consuming it in moderation.